Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Jamaica national 100-meter hurdles champion and 2020 Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper has signed a professional contract with global sportswear giant Adidas, marking another significant milestone in her career. The 31-year-old sprint hurdler has been in scintillating form this season, producing a lifetime best at 12.34 seconds to win her fourth national title at the Jamaica Track and Field Championships in Kingston on June 29. Less than 2 weeks later, she matched that lifetime best in a vastly different conditions, clocking 12.34 seconds at the Monaco Diamond League meet on July 11. Jamaican Brandon King and opener Evan Lewis have both shaken off recent injury concerns to be included in the West Indies 15-member squad for their 3-match one-day international series against Pakistan, which bowls off in Trinidad on Friday. King missed all 3 T20 internationals against Pakistan in Florida after suffering a side strain in the 5th game against Australia in St. Kitts. Lewis missed the entire 5-match series against the Australians, as well as the 3 games in the Pakistan series after being sent home for rehabilitation work. King and Lewis will add experience to the Windies top order as the team hunts a 4th consecutive win. Former vice-captain Alzari Joseph will, however, miss the series after being given an extended rest following his part in Australia's 8-match tour of the Caribbean, which ended last month. The full squad reads Captain Shea Hope, Joel Andrew, Jediah Blades, Casey Carty, Ralston Chase, Matthew Ford, Justin Graves, Amir Jangu, Shamar Joseph, Brandon King, Evan Lewis, Gudakesh Moti, Sherfane Rutherford, Jaden Seals, and Romario Shepherd. The series is an important one for the 10th-ranked West Indians in their quest to secure automatic qualification to the 2027 ICC World Cup in South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Namibia. And finally, 2011 world champion and the second fastest man of all time, Johan Blake, is among a list of 5 to be honored for their contribution to sports at the National Honors and Awards ceremony on Heroes Day in October. Blake, who became the youngest to win a world title in 2011, is among 35 people who will receive membership in the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander. Reggae boy Ricardo Bibi Gardner, who was a member of Jamaica's historic World Cup 1998 squad, is also among 43 individuals be conferred with membership in the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer. Also to receive the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer is former West Indies T20 captain Rovman Powell, who recently became the second highest run scorer in T20 internationals for the West Indies. Veteran jockey Shane Ellis will receive a badge of honor for meritorious service in the sport of horse racing. In the meantime, veteran Dr. Michelle Holt, who served several national teams, most recently hockey, will receive the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for her service in the field of medicine. Mrs. Norma June Spence Jarrett will also be given the honor of OD for her service to the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO. 141 persons will be honored this year. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.